Hi, let's draw some snowflakes using chalk. If you haven't watched our How to Draw Snowflakes video, the link is in the description below. Grab some black cardstock or black construction paper. The white chalk looks really pretty against the black. Draw snowflakes with the chalk. Because the chalk can be messy and dusty, we can use that to our advantage. Grab a paintbrush, a dry paintbrush, and you can just lightly blend and knock off some of that dust. But the dust kind of leaves behind a residue that makes your snowflake look like it's glowing. Now you can keep your snowflakes all white if you just have white chalk, or you can add color with chalk pastels. I've got some chalk pastels and some fun, vibrant colors, so I'm going to use that. Cover your paper in snowflakes. Make different kinds of snowflakes, sizes of snowflakes, and try using different colors. Each is going to be an individual, unique work of art. We hope you know and remember that just like no two snowflakes are alike, no two people are just alike either. You are fearfully and wonderfully made by God, unique.